Alright, so what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, Thesonofsomeman.
Who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. Yup, we are 48 subscribers away from 7,000, and we are trying to hit 10,000 this year, so please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new, or like I said before, even if you aren't brand new and you haven't done so already, hit that notification bell down below, and that'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. Now, we're gonna get right into today's video. Today, we're taking a look at the John Geiger Canary Yellow. Pink calf hair. Very dope shoe. This guy has been, honestly, I've been following him ever since I seen the misplaced checks. If you guys aren't too familiar with, my backing, my backstory with John Geiger, hit the link at the top of the screen. That video playing, pretty much, explain on, how I actually got this shoe in my hand today. Very dope, humble dude. I am very blessed to even have this shoe in my hand to review it. I looked up on YouTube for a review on this particular shoe and I didn't see one. So guess what? This is the first review of this shoe on YouTube. And the shoe is so fire. The details, wait till we get into it. But without further ado, let's get into today's review. And guys, you know how we usually do it over here on the channel. We always take a look at the outsole first. Tell me that this is not the dopest outsole you've seen. You got too many no's, not enough O's. And then if you take a really close look, you could see he has the JG instead of the you know how Nike would have the stars, obviously. He has the JG, which is really dope detail, man. But anyway, taking a look at the upper of the shoe. Well, taking a look at the midsole, as you can see, it is the GF01. Now, this is the first, I believe, of its model. And there's plenty of models, that he has of this shoe, this colorway. I'm actually really liking this colorway. You got the calf hair, I believe that's a baby cow, hair, the pink here on the G, on the, cursive G. Very dope. And the entire shoe is covered in that Canary yellow Croc skin. Really dope. I couldn't say any more about the shoe. I really dig it. I actually got it on foot for you guys, so please make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Taking a look at the inside of the sneaker, basically what's going on the inside, what's going on the, replicates on what's going on the outside. Very dope. A lot of hidden details in this as well. As you can see, for the insole, is premium leather, and then it's got his name embossed right there at the top. But like I said, very dope, man. As for the laces, it actually comes with a second pair of laces. But let me stick this over here. The first pair, as you can see, was a flat white lace. And see, this is the box as well. I'm sorry, I should have started you guys off with the box, but this is the box, John Geiger. It's got the JG here, John Geiger on the back. The official colorway is Yellow Croc pink calf hair. Super fire. Open it up. Taking a look at the details. The paperwork on the the tissue paper for the box. Got his initials on it. Very dope. Now I was mentioning that that second pair of shoelaces we get, and it's actually got that white and black type zebra print. I don't know, I never, you know me, if you've been watching me on this channel for a while, I usually stick with the OG laces, which is these flat white nylon laces. Really dope. Now, as for the inside sock liner, I want to say, I don't know if that's a white or it's got a little, I believe it's white. It has to be white, yeah. It kind of looked like a little hint of a rose pink to me. I don't know if it's the lighting I have here in front of me, but yeah, very dope. As for the toe box, take a look at that. The material is just quite beautiful, man. And I'm hoping to do a lot more reviews on, upcoming John Geiger sneakers. Like I said, I've been a fan for as far as I can remember. If you checked out that video that I told you to click at the top of the screen, it'll basically show you when I went to Hong Kong and John Geiger actually first gave me the 001s in the burnt orange colorway. And that was in the midst of me in the butter movement, and I didn't feel worthy of it. I felt that at that time, I was giving back to the people who really didn't have it. I'm not going to sit here and lie that I don't regret it, because I really do wish I still had that shoe so I could have it with this one. It's kind of like full circle for me, man. But I want to thank everybody at, John Geiger Co., Sam Davis, his close friend, all those dudes who, made this possible for me to have this shoe. I really appreciate it. I want you guys to make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you give me your opinions down in the comment section. And just remember, this is not the only colorway of this sneaker. There is plenty of colorways. Make sure you check out the links in the description. I'm going to leave his Instagram. I'm going to leave his website all down below. Now, what I want to really, talk about is the dude did this on his own, man. Started from absolutely an idea and just kept running with it and running with it and running with it and running with it. For a long time, he's inspired me, but there's obviously bumps in the road in life, and things happen. But I'm continuing to do what I'm doing. Things are coming back to me full circle. John Geiger, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. But guys, until next time, it is your man, the son of some man. Don't miss that on foot. Peace.